Hey guys, welcome back to the station. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, I wish I could say that things have gotten better or has slowed down. Maybe it has slowed down a little bit, but you would be shocked at the things that have happened since the last recording to my condo restoration, we'll call it. So, basically, the handle broke off of the tub, and that occurred because most likely the heat of the equipment that was in the bathtub. So if you're ever getting mitigation, just make sure that things like faucets are protected. And then I had a special scenario where they had to leave it as I fought the battle of getting, the neighbors and the HOA just to admit that the damage was outside of my unit. In the meantime, all that equipment and all that heat is in my bathroom, so I should not be surprised that I lost the faucet. But the thing is, I had to go back and forth with the mitigation guy. It got a little ugly over text. So finally he said that he would come and handle some of the other damage that I showed you that was against the wall when he took off the tape. So also, if you're working with mitigation people, he explained to me that normally they use blue tape. But in this scenario, he used like a black tape or Gorilla Tape, and that can take your paint off of the walls. So just a unfortunate situation, but in a way, I'm glad I called back because I was going to let it go. But I called back because of the handle, but I'm now getting that repainted. He's due to be back in a couple days. So that's that. Plumber has to come in and fix the faucet. He said he will handle that repair as well, but I had to argue that I never had a problem with the faucet before this scenario, and so there it is. Next, I come home to a letter from a claim letter that pretty much I asked for a review because remember, the ceiling isn't painted. Lo and behold, not only did they deny it, but they also had just lumped everything under one sum, and they didn't give me a breakdown of ACV. I did some research. ACV and most insurance companies handle the labor as well as the product. So I asked for the breakdown, and then my eyes glanced at the date, and guess what? My claims representative went back to a 2018 claim, same neighbors, and put that as the claim number and the claim date of January 18th, 8 years ago. So yes, these are the things that happen. These are the things that, and I'm glad that I noticed the date. So I'm now asking for a supervisor review. But aside from all of that, thanks for staying with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to be continued.